Hello guys! Yes, back to work na sila kuya. Gumagawa ng columns para second floor. This is their second week of working since pinahintuan namin for 3 months dahil nga rainy season and nabusan ng tubig ang banga. So na-drain, wala ng pera. So ito yung stairs namin ay kailangan feng shui, oro, plata mata, and then yung open wide yan na wall is a glass wall para switch on, we don't need to switch on the lights every day, maliwanag yan dyan. And then ayan na sila kuya, gumagawa din ng columns, pinapatayo nila. So hopefully next couple days mabuhusan na ang mga columns. Ayan, ano na sila, nagpanday, lagyan nila ng kahoy. So, shout out sa aking mga workers. So, we have 6 workers, 2 skilled, and 4 helpers. And also, thank you to my sister Jocelyn and my brother-in-law Kuya Noning. Thank you very much for your support, guys. Kung wala kayo, wala din. We cannot build this house kasi we need a support. You know, we are here in Canada working hard like a kalabaw. Kayod kalabaw kami dito para we can pursue our dreams to retire in maybe in 5 years. So, and also thank you to my cousin Edwin sa taga-video dito. So hopefully makabuhos na sila. And thank you guys for watching and have a nice day.